the 2005 Scion XB. Powered by a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine. With a 5-speed manual transmission, this front-wheel drive sport wagon is well equipped. This Scion features front-wheel drive, a CD player, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, power steering, and power windows. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.